How you been, Daisy? Give me a shake.
Okay. This is Mitch and Caden. I'm taking family videos for when we're too old to remember our names. Huh?
Caden, you're getting so old. Holy cow, you.
How old are you? About 10? Huh? Or you about 5? Carly told me you're 3.
Carly told me you graduated from Babe Ruth already.
Playing some Babe Ruth?
No way.
The Schmidt compound.
There, what? Huh? Well, hey, that pump is off there. Don't start that, boys. The fuel pump's off the front. There's a rod in there that'll fly out. Huh?